Today we will learn how to make easy unicorn. We will start from the nose line and then we will make a big curve like this. Then another curve, then a big straight line. For the neck will be a little curvy from the bottom. Straight line again, and here we will do the same, a curve. Now we will draw the hair by making few curves like this. So we will make another curve and join these two together. Then next we will draw a curve upside, then another curve like this.
वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है? अगर जवाब हाँ है and you want to see more of such videos, जल्दी से हमारे YC ऐप को डाउनलोड करें. You can find the link to download the app in the description and comment section below.
Then we will make the ear lines. Now we will draw one more curve on the top of the head, then another curve like this, and we will join it to the ear. Now we will join all these curves like this. Now we will be making the nose line. Here a little curve and a very small curve here. Then we will draw eye, another line and few lines like this for the eyelashes. Now we will draw a line here for the horn. Now we will bold the outline. Now we will be making few curves like this. Okay, now we will be using sketches. So we will start with the grey one and we will use grey for the shadow part. Now we will be coloring the horn. First we will use blue, then green, yellow, orange and red. Now we will use pink color for the nose. And here we are done. So I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. Okay, see you all. Much love all.